guys, welcome back to another video. And on YouTube I heard of this thing called a Quickster burger. And I bought some. I bought 5. And I'm going to try one. Come on, open up. Open that. The reason why I backed away is because the microwave is super smelly. I'll put my phone there to unpackage this thing, and it smells delicious. There's the stuff, bun, meat, very cold meat, another bun, tomato ketchup. This thing feels swollen, and artificial cheese, and then so I'll get a plate actually. I'm an absolute idiot for not getting a plate for these burgers. Sam to the rescue. A można plastikowe talerze do mikrofali?
Nie wiem, chyba tak.
Okay. Plastic Sam plate.
Daj.
Fajne. Otwórz to. Daj. Oh my god.
Syfi?
It smells of ketchup. Get that on there. Like so. Put the wrapper in the bin. Put the meat on top of that. Press it down. Get the artificial cheese. What I think is artificial cheese. I used to eat these. Oh my god. Doesn't want to open properly. And it just rips into pieces. There we go, put the cheese on there. It's literally ruined. Bun. Plop. So, video is still recording. The burger. I'll put that in there. 1 minute and 30 seconds. And I'll put the package in the bin with my foot. That's not properly closed. So I'll just wait. Hopefully without the plate melting. I can already smell that burger. I know it's going to be all soggy. And let me show you the other burgers I got. My mum's doing something on her brand new phone. Oh, here they are. Quickster burgers. I also got the best one, barbecue rib. Can't wait to make that. If it'll even fit in my freaking microwave. Bring these to the kitchen. I'm not sure how many I'll get done in this video. Probably about 1.5. And the next video will be spicy mint challenge. Most probably. Ugh. My dear God. Why is it the barbecue rib that keeps falling? Breakfast muffin. Chicken sandwich. Another quarter pounder. And by the way, that's a quarter pounder. It's almost done. Let me just get this. Professional tools for removing hot objects. Mama, vyjmi mi. Actually, I'll get my mom to take it out. Is it hot?
No.
Put it on that. Put it on the shelf. Now that's not too soggy. It's just all spongy. Feels like it's a balloon filled with air. That smells so delicious. Let me get another. Ran out of plates. Only got lids. Excuse me, Mum. I need a plate for this other burger. I was about to call it a trekking burger. A można te takie talerze do mikrofali? Okay, I'm allowed to put this in the microwave. So, Let's put in the next one, which will be the breakfast muffin. Again, put my phone here, put all the stuff here, get the plate. How many minutes is it recording? Okay, video will be over in 5 minutes, because YouTube only allows you to record for 5 minutes unless you're recording on your phone storage. Doesn't want to freaking open properly. So extremely loud. This is a different one this time. Omelette, yes. Pork, check. Beef stuff, check. Tomato ketchup, check, I guess. I need to put the top in the bin. Now the scissors have got the ketchup on them. And by the way, the other burger is cooling down. I keep thinking of trekking burgers, and I'm about to say trekking burger all over the time. But they're Quicksters. That's right, Quicksters. Because they're quick. I'm going to put the cheese in the middle of the omelette and the pork. If it is even pork, or if it's something else. I heard Ashens calling it pork. But I think it's a different animal. I think it's cow beef. I honestly think it's cow beef. But I'll just stick with calling it pork fat. I mean, just pork beef. Okay, plop the top back on. That's not my microwave sizzling. Okay, get the burger in there. Okay, 1.5 minutes again. I need the freaking thing to heat up. I'll see you in the next video when that's done and when I've finished and when I'm about to eat that. Bye.